welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're coming back, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment down below. Share this video if you can. This is gonna be a life lately vlog. Because I'm not really posting a lot. I try to post snippets of what the month was. So today is the 28th of June. So as the month end, my husband is in the Eastern Cape and I am going to see I am going to see my cousin. My cousin is in town, like my cousin is in the city. My cousin is in Johannesburg, and it would be disgraceful if I do not go and see them. She is here with her daughter and her two grandkids. So I'm gonna go as Soweto. My aunt stays at Soweto only, so I'm going there later today. Don't know if I'm gonna take an Uber or I'm going to, I think taking an Uber is so much better because I want to be in Sandton, get a few stuff. My cousin had a baby and I haven't seen her since, so I think it is great that I'm going to see my cousin there and also take this opportunity to see the baby, because anyway I was going to go see the baby end of July, because I think the baby is like a month or so. Yeah, so I'm going to see them later today, so I'm going to take you guys through all of that. I'm going to Sandton, buy a few stuff at Clicks or Ackermans, I don't know, like baby stuff for my cousin, and probably step into Checkers just to get some other things, like even if it's snacks for the weekend. Since I'm going to see them, I literally do not like going empty-handed, if I'm going to see people. And even if it's family members, I like to get some things, even if it's snacks, nothing, but yeah, that's what last night I did not have the greatest sleep because my husband is in the Eastern Cape, like I said. So it was the first night sleeping by myself without him in a while. So yeah, that was an adjustment. And yeah, I will see you when I go to Sandton City, or when I'm in an Uber going to Sandton. And yeah, enjoy this vlog. Hello. Feeling good, Johnny? Yeah, because it's not like. Honestly, I don't want to make too much of a voiceovers, but I arrived in Santon, did what I had to do. It was about an hour to like 30 minutes or so. Took a bus because it was going to be so much easier taking a bus than taking a taxi, because with the bus I didn't have to connect anywhere. Luckily I took the correct bus. So my friend bought a car, so I saw the car for the first time.
The next day.
Bye, Bindi. Those are mine.
Babethula kanje nasebusuku.
Zingaka. Usuke kayithona wena. Usukile kayithona zezami bezilapha futhi. Wow, I got genuine. Good.
Yeah, bird. I think yes, don't if now ndimnika abantu camera babezondenzela ndibanike ifone, because the camera funeka ukupay attention xa uyilenza. Funeka uyijonge uba wakhona
Hello guys.
For no vlog. Yeah, on
Today I'm cooking.
Baba sithengile ngenampasa yazi George. I-green pepper kangamfundisi.
Ndifuna ukhala ke. Onion.
Zawuthi narrate le vlog.
Yeah?
Zawuthi narrate.
Camera le.
One eternity later.
Yeah. quase. Ai, ai. Pause. O Pepe que eu amo.
Slow cookers kan sa 7. Oh.
Wow!
Well, let's sing in jokes. Tumila ngingu namanzi wami. Ngicela undlulise. Umusho wami. Overflow.
Ja, oh, dat houdt even om.
Man, you want to choose?
Oh, chico. Adesso i giusti. Hai come usavo scritto che la colpa è questa ancora non c'è. Voi magari io fallevo tanto.
Lo manzi.
Ora è sempre per la base.
Iki wangu.
Adesso. Ecco. Mamma come va lei?
Much later. The next day. One eternity later.
I'm about to eat. I'm romanticizing my life while my husband is not home. And I just finished watching Tandi's vlog, the Thailand one. Yeah. And it was lovely. I'm just gonna have something to eat and then I'm gonna sleep. Well, probably watch a movie and then sleep. I haven't watched Bridgerton. Maybe that's what I would watch. The Penelope part. Or is it the fourth part? I'm not sure if it's the fourth or the third part. But I haven't watched that. Maybe it's something I need to watch or I should watch. But yeah, Tandi's vlog was beautiful. All her travel vlogs are stunning. Loved everything about it. But yeah, let me eat. Also, today is like what? Today is Tuesday, and remember I went to my aunt's. I spent the weekend there. I came back yesterday after work. Yeah, so it's like a few days later since I last spoke to you guys, because I think I last spoke to you guys on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. It is so cold, -1. There we go. -1 in Johannesburg. It's freezing cold. Today is what, baby?
9th of July, baby.
The 9th of July. It's our second year anniversary. So I got myself a little something. And trust me, this is because of peer pressure. Purely peer pressure. Guys, peer pressure is a thing. It's literally a thing. Okay, so as I said, it's our anniversary today. I got myself a present. And what's wrong, baby? Do you feel like
Close that door,
So guys, as I was saying, today is the 9th of July. It's our second year anniversary. So I have this, which I'm gonna unbox for you guys quickly. Country roads. This is purely because of the peer pressure, bandas. Nothing more, nothing less. Peer pressure at its best because wow. Anyways, I have my camera bag. I saw this from Conversations with a Z. One is like a pink one. I was like, I need to get it. Like my cousin also has one. I remember seeing Mount Elif, she had one. So I was like, let me get myself one. So this is my bag. I really had the best time to see my cousin and her daughter and her grandkids. I really enjoyed that, and I hadn't seen my aunts and my cousin that stays here in Joburg in such a long time, and it was such a nice time to like go and see them after she has had a baby. So yeah, I had a good time. I needed it. It's always so important to like go see family and just have fun and enjoy the company of family members, even if you are married. Like I would definitely recommend that. I needed this, and yeah man, I am It was wholesome, to be honest. I haven't seen my cousin since we went to the funeral. So this was an opportunity that I was like, I am literally going. Even if I don't have transport, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna take public transport and go see her. So I really enjoyed that. We had a great time just talking, and I cooked. And yeah, my aunt was actually telling me yesterday that we are only finishing lambusha that I'm like, wow, I did too much. But yeah, everybody loved the meal, and yeah, man, it was such a good time. Yeah. So I do want to close this vlog right here. Thank you so much, my loves, for watching this vlog, and please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share this video with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that a lot. I am currently doing laundry. Today is the 7th, so it is Sunday. My husband is coming back today, and yeah, I just woke up, cleaned the whole house, started doing laundry. I don't want my vlogs to be the same thing over and over again. So yeah, since I spoke to you can't remember, but it was when I was watching Tandy's vlogs. And yeah, I just want to close it here. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog, or you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. My husband is coming back today, probably today or the early hours of tomorrow morning. Tomorrow I'm going to work, and he's gonna be at home resting, because I don't think he's going to work tomorrow. Maybe Tuesday, I'm not really sure. Also, I would like to say thank you so much for the love on my previous vlog, the one before this one. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have shown that vlog so much love in such a short period of time, which is something that hardly happens. So I'm really grateful that you guys are enjoying the vlog as much as I loved creating it for you guys. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate you all so much. So yeah, let's close this vlog, and I will see you in the next vlog.